What's up, guys? So it is Thursday, the day before the clothes drop, the surf clothes. If you haven't been on my Instagram, I highly suggest you go do it. Real quick recap, there's 3 designs, 3 like collections more or less that make up the overall surf drop, and that is the club collection. There's t-shirts, long sleeves, water bottles, face masks, and tote bags to carry your beach stuff. Then there's the palm and moon collection. That's this one. This is my personal favorite. I think this is the fan favorite. There is short sleeves, long sleeves, tank tops, face masks, and tote bags. And then the last one is the Sunrise Surf collection that has t-shirts, long sleeves, tank tops, water bottles, face masks, and tote bags. So that's the one with the most items. Like I said, everything is under 25 bucks. It launches today, the day this video goes up. This video will probably drop at the same time that the clothes are out. So if you're watching this video right now, it's out. Go get it at strykessurf.com. So no weird Teespring link, no bit.ly link like I usually do. It's just strykessurf.com. Yeah, would really appreciate it if you guys go pick something up. Like I said, it's relatively cheap. Nothing over 25 bucks, and you actually get some practical things like masks. I know those are kind of going away, but masks, water bottles, tote bags for summer. Tried to make it more than just clothing. We got Bocce here, this little guy. I don't know where the other cat is, but he's around here somewhere. So it is graduation weekend for me. Some of you might know I graduated. Technically, I graduated early. I finished in December, but I'm officially done now, and graduation is on Monday for me. So yeah, officially done with high school. I've been in college for about 3-4 months now. We're having a normal graduation, and then some family of mine is coming into town, so that'll be exciting. I'm eating this Krispy Kreme donut because we got our senior donuts. We get them for free. Pretty dope. And then we're going to lunch after the graduation ceremony, and then we're having like a get-together, kickback type thing at the house. Yeah, the usual crew will be there. Lord, Ryan, Gavin, my girlfriend, Aubrey, and then some family as well. So, and then summer officially starts. So the schedule for summer has been confirmed. The Bieber show, which was gonna be on June 5th, was moved into February of next year, so that's not happening anymore. Still gonna try to get out to LA. I mean, it was in here, Arizona anyway, but I'm gonna try to get out to LA at some point in the summer because I just wanna go, and I wanna meet people that I have been talking to over the interwebs this past year. I wanna actually meet them and do stuff with them. That's still in question. We're gonna try to make it happen, but the things that are confirmed are Mexico from June 13th through the 16th. It's kind of like the senior trip. For me, I'm going with my mom, Lord, Gavin, and the rest of Lord's family, and we're going to Rocky Point. I mean, yeah, we're just gonna vibe. I haven't seen an ocean in 4 years, and I'm really missing it. And we're gonna drive there, so it's not like flying, because flying is still kind of sketchy, at least with COVID. But funny I say that because the next thing that's confirmed is Georgia from June 19th through the 21st, and we're flying there. Obviously, we're not going to drive there for my grandpa's 90th birthday. So those are the 2 things. July is pretty empty. Oh, just kidding. July, it's not confirmed yet, but Gavin and his, I don't know, yeah, I think his cousins, they go to Lake Powell every summer, and this year a spot opened up for Gavin, and a spot might have opened up for me as well. So yeah, that'll be a big vibe going up there. I think it's a week long, so yeah, gonna be doing lots of stuff on the lake. I'm trying to figure out like a way to see New York people without going to New York because it's so freaking expensive. But I also don't want like 4 or 5 people coming here and all staying at my house. And I don't want to make people like stay in hotels. Things are starting to ramp up. Like I said, graduation's this weekend, so I've been busy with that. Yesterday we had senior breakfast. That was fun. Tomorrow we have senior sunset, where we all go to the school and watch the sunset, and then Monday is the last thing, graduation. So yeah, gonna be filming most of it. Not the actual graduation ceremony, but I just mean like most of the events that are gonna be happening over the next couple days. So yeah, Mexico and Georgia are the only things confirmed right now. So get hyped for that. I'm also getting a new piece of camera gear. I have not gotten a new piece of camera gear in probably like 3 years. Okay, camera just stopped automatically. Last piece of camera gear I got was this wide lens, but I'm getting a new addition to the arsenal of cameras. It's not a new big camera, but it's a new camera, if that makes sense. It's going to change the way I make videos. It's going to change the way my videos are, and yeah, it's gonna be so sick. Like, I was looking over the features of it today because I kind of forgot like what it was, if that makes sense. But yeah, I was looking over like all the features today, and it is a beast of a camera. So I'm just super hyped to take things to the next level. It's gonna come in handy a lot in Mexico and when I travel, and just vlogging in general. Yeah, I don't want to reveal too much, but it's gonna change the way my videos are. Kind of wanted to make a quick little update video. Not gonna be doing much today. I have a lot to do around the house, like cleaning and ordering stuff for graduation. Like, I just ordered my grad cards, like my announcements, and graduation's in 4 days. So probably won't get here on time, but that's okay. And then I have a lot of preparing to do for the clothing launch and getting a solid schedule and just getting ready for everything. So just wanted to make that little update. A proper like vlog should be coming soon with like everything that's gonna be going on over the next couple days. So yeah, I'm gonna go get everything ready for tomorrow's launch. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you probably early next week, and then that summer content's gonna start kicking in. So all right, I'm rambling. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you next week. Peace out.